Tesla had a huge move yesterday. So if I could show you my screens, you would have seen yesterday. I mean, the weekly call option buying that we've been talking about, the speculation, the manipulation, the whole thing, is really found in Tesla weekly calls. It's Tesla, Nvidia, and Apple. But yesterday, Tesla on the $200 calls, because it was getting close to that price, over 318,000 calls traded. And on Nvidia, on the 130s, there's like 265,000 calls. Massive call volume, right? And the a couple call outs on that. I mean, Tesla went to bullish trade. It's still bearish trend. So that's a different setup than what Tesla's had, which it's been bearish trade, bearish trend. So now it's bullish trade. Immediate term trade is bullish. Got momentum that the machine will like on a very short-term basis into the weekly $200 level. That's, what shouldn't surprise anybody. It should be around 201 for Tesla. So I would sell it there, but I'd be selling it far less aggressively. What I'd be doing on the short side is looking for things that are bearish trade and bearish trend. So those are better signal strength shorts. And then on Nvidia, like we reviewed that setup and we nailed it. I mean, we nailed the buy Qs call, the buy Nvidia call. If you bought both, well done. We can't buy Nvidia personally because obviously we have compliance around that. If you look at the impact table from Tier 1 Alpha, I mean, look at that Amazon move. I mean, Amazon, the guys were discussing Amazon just in terms of, it was kind of like, headline news yesterday on Amazon getting into newness, I guess, in terms of business opportunities. So that stock was up like 4%, I think, and contributing 16% of the day. That and Apple combined were 30% of the up move. So again, Amazon at an all-time high certainly wouldn't be considered a bearish signal. That's a pretty widely held stock, very widely held stock, and it too works in quad 3, provided that Amazon's growth accelerates. I don't think, Jonesy, that's our call, that Amazon's going to have a fantastic quarter, but the fact of the matter is that the stock doesn't generally move on having to have a good quarter. It's part of the machine, and what the machine buys in quad 3 is large cap liquidity, and Amazon would be a great place to shop and buy that.
Hey there, Hedgeye Nation, or if you're not part of Hedgeye Nation, thanks for watching Hedgeye on YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure to click on the button below there. Subscribe to our YouTube page. You can also follow the link in the description to our website to get even more great investing content.